Speak English?
No.
You speak English?
Whoa, Keng. Okay, so right now we at Setalang restaurant at Taman Kajang Utama. If you saw that, the house very big. That is Taman Sri Mewah, Taman Kajang Utama deh. Deh pula. Sorry. No, not there. Our parking here, you can see with your two eyes. Parking very many. Start from there into there. Setalang restaurant, we say lauk kapung, village food. Example pating, example masak lemak cili api, example asam pedas. Oh dah. No. This is our best seller here. It's not a normal pating, it's pating steam poyok. If you eat that, you steam first and you delicious second. And this our new menu. Last month we go out this menu. Siakap 3 flavor, 3 sambal. I mean, and then siakap sambal petai. It's not Malay. It's already here, writing here. And other than lauk kapung, we have this takoyaki. It's not Malay food, it's Japanese food. Date. What you say here? Cekodok. Natangmu cekodok.
English.
Takoyaki.
So if you want come here, we open every day, 12 afternoon until 12 night. What is that?